Simon's Cat is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and the annual financial support of viewers like you, and by
Chuck E. Cheese's Family Entertainment Centers. Chuck E. Cheese thinks learning is fun.
Chef Junior, from the makers of Chef Boyardee, proudly supports educational programming on PBS.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, reminding you that thinking and creating are more than good. They're great.
7-Eleven.
Anyone can explore the pages of a book.
This program is made possible in part by a grant from Libby's Juicy Juice. Juicy Juice, 100% juice for 100% kids.
Meow-Mix brand cat food has the 3 flavors cats love best and tastes so good it's become a universal favorite.